Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today's news is for those in search of speedy VPS servers on a budget. If you're part of our community, this guide is tailored for you. Let's get started. Begin by visiting the TotalReal website using your Chrome browser. On the homepage, mobile users can access the menu by tapping the hamburger icon, while laptop users will find it at the top. Click on the Internet menu. Scroll down to find the Premium Server section and explore the available options. Select a free VPS server from various global locations. Ensure you check the expiry date and then click on Create Server. Follow the on-screen instructions after selecting your server. Your server will soon be operational. Make sure to note down the details for future reference. For tips on how to maximize these servers, visit my YouTube channel for insightful tutorials on leveraging VPS capabilities. Enjoy your access to free premium VPS servers. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy browsing.